The collapse has begun. Defiance leverage long plus income MSTR ETF MST has collapsed today 14%. So that's a huge. This is the first time has gone this low. The price of today is 17.92. The main reason why this ETF has gone down has to do with the underlying stock itself, which is MSTR. And also, one of the other ETFs that went down was MSTY. But in today's video, I just want to give you a quick update on why these ETFs are going down and is it the perfect time to buy. Before buying any of these ETFs, you need to know the reason why they are going up or they are going down. That will give you more confidence on how and when you should buy. MST intraday price movement was from 1758 to 2013. 52-week range is between $17.58 to $24.23. This ETF came out around $21. And then today is the lowest has gone at 17.58. Ymax MSTR option income strategy ETF MSTY went down only about 6.74%, and this is par to the underlying stock itself, MSTR. But the other ETF I showed you earlier, MST, went down 14%. The main reason is because this is double average, meaning it tends to go up twice as much whenever MSTR stock goes up, and the opposite is true. So if MSTR stock collapses 2%, this will go down 4%. If MSTR stock goes down by 7%, this would go down by 14%. Just double, either up or down. And this is a pure example. And the main reason why I would see a lot of people are shying away and try to stay away from this ETF is because of a huge volatility. For most people who want exposure to MSTR, I think the best overall ETF is MSTY because of its huge distribution and also its price movement, which is almost par with MSTR stock itself. And I've talked a lot about this ETF, but we can do a quick review here. Day range was between 21.29 to 22.70. A 52-week range is between $17.10 to $46.50. Now, as I mentioned earlier, MST and MSTY ETFs have collapsed, and that's because of the underlying stock Strategy Incorporated, or MSTR. Price today is $369. It went down by $29.95 or 7.5%, almost 8%. And after hours, it seemed to going down a little bit. Day's range was between $367.31 to $392.05. 52-week range, $102.40 to $543. Today's volume was over 21 million. But average volume is over 18 million. According to Analyst estimate, MSTR is predicted to be going to 530. That would be a huge price gain from the price it is today at 369.51 cents. Now we know the intraday price movements for MSTR, MSTY, and MST. But why MSTR stock collapsed today as compared to overall market? I'm going to show you the main reason. If you're with me so far and you like this type of content, please smash the like button. And if you don't want to miss any of this type of update, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so you can always receive those updates. And if you know anyone who this type of video might be helpful to them, please share with that person. Strategy just fired up a 2.1 billion raise and it's aimed straight at Bitcoin. Strategy MSTR is opening the tap on a 2.1 billion at the market preferred stock offerings, and it's not just the balance sheet stuff. The 10% series preferred stock will be sold gradually depending on price and demand through a flexible sale agreement filed with the SEC. Management say this won't be a fire. Sell shares could be issued in a block or negotiated trades over time depending on market appetite. Anytime company issue new shares to raise the capital, stock tend to go down because you are diluting existing market cap, and that's the main reason why MSTR stock went down, and therefore MST and MSTY. Do you think you will buy MST or you're just going to stick with MSTY? Let me know in the comment below. Before I go, I just want to mention one more thing here. Ymax Snowy Option Income Strategy ETF Snowy. Price of today is 1685. It went down a little bit, and within 52 weeks has ranged between $12.77 to $23.76. So the main reason I'm bringing this is because there was a comment below, because yesterday I made a video to show you a few ETFs. This was Palantir, MSTY, and Netflix, which is Netflix. And I say these are one of the best performing ETFs. And someone mentioned, how about Snowy? So I just thought I would shed little light on Snowy and how well it has performed since it was incepted. If we come to Ymax official website, Snowy, the distribution rate is 100%. Snowy is one of those single stock ETF from Ymax, and the underlying stock is Snowflake. It has been paying distribution for a long time. The first time they started paying distribution was in July 8th, 2024, and the last distribution they paid was on May 16th, 2025. Snowy was incepted June 10th, 2024. It traded on New York Stock Exchange. Expense ratio is 0.99. Net asset 62.88 million. NAV 16.88. Snowy has returned 25% since it was incepted. The price right now is at $16. It came around $20, so you've lost about $4 in terms of the price. But because of those distributions you've been receiving since it was incepted, then overall you are up at 25%. I just want to make this video today to keep you up to date on why MSTR stock went down and therefore MSTY and MST. And I wanted to give you a little review on Snowy ETF, and this is based on one of the subscribers' question asking what's performance on Snowy. So please let me know in the comment below. Are you interested in buying Snowy right now, or is an ETF that is not even in your radar? Again, if you like this type of content, please smash that button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification buttons so you can always receive new updates. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on next video. Bye bye.